So hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see how can we download this Astra Pro theme. Astra Pro theme for absolutely free. Not absolutely, but it would cost you a few bucks, and but it would be nearly cheaper than the official pricing. So this is the official website of Astra Pro theme. That is the wpastra.com, and just by clicking on the download now, see, here's the pricing plan. Here's the prices of this Astra Pro theme, and the Astra Pro theme would cost you nearly $47, and the normal pricing is 59. But after getting it off of 12%, 20%, sorry, you'll get it for $47. And the essential bundle and the growth bundle, you can just check it out later. And I am providing this theme, this Astra Pro theme, at only $9. Yes, it's only $9. So you can see, and one more thing, it's a lifetime, not annual subscription. Here it's see, if you go for the lifetime subscription, then it would cost you 2000 two sorry $200. See, but I am providing you this lifetime license only at $9. Okay, so coming on to the my official website. So this is my official website, moneydeck.xyz, moneydeck.xyz, and under the shop menu and the WordPress themes sub menu, see, here's the Astra Pro theme. Just click on it. Just wait some time to load as the server is quite bit busy, we can say. Yeah, this is the Astra Pro theme, and yeah, you can read this. You can read this documentation and everything and all, and just click on add to cart if you're interested in to buy this. It would be added to your cart, and just click on view cart. So waiting for my cart to load. Yes, this is my cart, and see here, if you have any coupons, we can do one thing. I can provide you this script, sorry, this theme at $0. Yes, for absolutely free, but only for few subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so just go and do it. Click that bell icon and turn on the notifications so that you can get my videos at very first moment. And then I will provide you with some coupons that you can use here. You can use this some coupons here, and you can just get it for absolutely free, but not now. I'll give run that giveaway in the coming week. So if you're interested in to buying this, just comment down below and let me know so that I can make some coupon codes and provide you for free. And you can use this Astra Pro theme for absolutely free. Yes, this time absolutely free. And just click on proceed to checkout, and then we have to enter your payment details. Just enter your email address. I will enter my email address here. Don't worry, it's just a fake email, not fake email. It's a dummy email. And enter your card number, your expiry, your CVV. Yeah, this is the, if you haven't subscribed to this what we say, newsletter, then go subscribe it. You'll get a digital marketing toolkit that will help you to grow digitally. So just enter your details, place order, and I won't discuss it much because you are well aware how to place an order. And then just click on OK, and you'll get your downloaded file as a zip. Just click as upload that zip file in your WordPress dashboard, and your Astra Pro theme will be activated. Okay friends, and coming back to this official website of Astra Pro theme, and see, I'll just explain this pricing in more detail. The annual pricing is $200 per year, sorry, for a lifetime, and for year you will save $50. That is 20% off. And here as essential bundles, it would be $400 nearly, and this $560 nearly. So $9 is not a big deal. And if you are willing to start an online business, then a good theme is also is must. What could I say more? So just friends, we'll end this here, and till see you in the next video. Till then, see ya.